You are fine. Now in this video we have a look of Vechain crypto. What's the price change occur in the Vechain? What's the high price of Vechain? And what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain? In this video I'm going to show you with the live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, because my wish to hit 3k subscribers. So please help me and support me. If you listen my voice, so please don't ignore me, my brothers. Please subscribe me. Now let's see the price prediction of Vechain crypto. What's the price change occur in the Vechain crypto? Let's see on the screen. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of Vechain crypto of the previous last 2 hours. Friends, what's the absolutely good news for all Vechain holders? As you can see, take a high jump. But if we see the current situation of Vechain crypto, don't worry about this fall. It is a simple fall. It is a short fall. As you can see here, it is the start of new month. That is why they take a small falls. Don't worry about this falls, friends. As you can see here, the average change of Vechain crypto is about positive 1.87% change occur in the Vechain in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.093012 is the high price of Vechain in the last 2 hours. Now, friends, let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 hour? As you can see now on the screen, absolutely good change. As you can see, take a jump. As I told you in the start of this video, don't worry about this falling, because it is a continuously falling of every cryptocurrencies in the start of a new month. As you can see, as you know that today is 4th April, it is the start of April. That is why they take a small falls. So friends, if we see the average change in the last 1 hour, the average change is about positive 0.34% change occurred in the Vechain in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.093012 is the high price of Vechain. So friends, that is the live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hours, they are also in positive. So my suggestion for all of Vechain holders, as you know, it is the start of month. That is why they take a false for a little time. So friends, don't worry about the falling of Vechain crypto. My suggestion for all of Vechain holders, that hold your Vechain with the last of this month, because it is start of month. That is why they did not take a high jump. After 5th, 7th, 8th April, they take a high jump. So wait for the high jump of Vechain crypto. They will make you millionaire in this month. Wait for it and hold your Vechain crypto. What's your opinion about Vechain? Please share in the comment box, as it is time to buy, sell or hold. Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. Please brother, subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.